So an example like this, which is number 28 on our in-class examples, but we're describing a decomposition reaction. Okay. What does it mean when we talk about something as a catalyst? It makes the reaction happen faster. Okay, that's all it does. It's not a product or a reactant. It's its own category of thing in a chemical reaction, and we're not focusing on what a catalyst does in this class. So, but that's why this symbol is written above the arrow, because it is what is called a catalyst. Okay, we're focusing on decomposing potassium chlorate, KClO3. If I have 1.300 grams of it, how many moles of O2 can I make? Using my recipe, right? Using my mole ratio, 2 to 3. So very first step, part A, is just a stoichiometry. Mole ratio, train track calculation. The second part is where we're going to get into some skills from our gas chapter. If we collect oxygen over water, okay, at a total pressure, 745, 23 degrees C, what is the volume of oxygen that I'm going to collect? That's what we're going to calculate. So first step, stoichiometry. I went ahead and in the problem gave you the molar mass of potassium chlorate, but if I didn't, you would have to add it up for yourself. 122.55 grams per mole, right? So we're going to do part A. We're going to convert grams of potassium chlorate to moles. And then I'm going to convert moles of potassium chlorate using my mole ratio to 3 moles of oxygen and get an answer. The answer that I got, 0.01591 moles of oxygen. That is what? That's my moles in O2, moles of O2. That's what that number is. Okay, second step is what if I collected this at a total pressure of 745 over water. And I tell you, or you could go look it up, what the water vapor pressure is. Because when you collect a gas over water, there is some amount of water vapor in the same vessel. That's a mixture of gases. At 23 degrees C, this pressure is 21.1 millimeters of mercury. This is very similar probably to the water vapor you did in that lab at 23 degrees C, with where most of our room temperature water is at. In order to calculate the volume of just oxygen, I have to have the pressure of just oxygen. And so total minus the water vapor, right? (723.9 millimeters of mercury). And if I was giving this as the answer, okay, if I was going to give this as the answer, this subtraction answer would be rounded to the ones place. Okay, ones place comes before the tenths decimal place. So that would mean I would round it to that number, but this is not my final answer. In fact, I got to do something else to this value, Because I am going to be calculating the volume of a gas, not at STP, I have to use the ideal gas law. Under this situation, I'm given these individual conditions, I have to calculate what the volume is. Because I'm using R in my calculation, I must convert my pressure unit to R, to atmospheres. .9525 atmospheres. But again, I'm trying to keep track of what my sig figs are. This number should stop at the ones place. That's 3 sig figs, right? That means I'm really just needing those 3 significant numbers going forward. If you go ahead and round this to 0.953, you're probably fine. I just typically try to not round until the end when I can keep track of it in my head. But it's probably, at least in this class, it shouldn't make much of a difference. Okay, if I'm going to calculate volume from the ideal gas law, I have to be given the pressure, which I just found. I have to have the moles, which I found. I have to have the temperature. At 23 degrees C, what is the temperature in Kelvin? 23 degrees Celsius, add 273.15. We can stop it at the ones place, or you can keep the 0.15 and just remember to mark to yourself where it should stop. That's fine too. Right? It should stop there at the ones place. Kelvin. Solve for volume. Use the ideal gas law. Solve for volume. N. Can you use the ideal gas law? Can you use PV equals nRT? To calculate using moles of a solid or moles of a liquid or a solution. What's the only substance you can use the ideal gas law for? A gas. Okay. You cannot use PV equals nRT to solve for anything, any substance other than a gas. Okay. Can't plug in moles of a solid, of a liquid, of it's gases. Okay. I got 0.406 liters is how much oxygen would be collected from this decomposition.